little increase, right?
Yes, you have to listen to your skin. Even if you have the best product, best ingredients, if you're not going to use it correctly, that's useless. It can harm your skin. Anything in excess is bad.
Yes,
Okay,
yes, yes. I agree with you, sir.
বান্ধবীর কথা শুনবেন নাকি নিজের কথা শুনবেন? কি শুনলেন ডক্টরের মুখ থেকে? যে লিসেন টু ইউর স্কিন, মানে আপনার স্কিন কেমন, স্কিনের ধরন কেমন, কি সমস্যা, এটা আপনি নিজে বুঝার চেষ্টা করুন। মার্কেটের ভাইরাল ক্রিম, সিরাম, রিভিউ এগুলো আপনাকে কোনো সমাধান দিবে না।
And what purpose people can use these items?
Those mega dose serum is hydroquinone free. There's a peeling if you want like a Korean glow to increase your cell turnover by the use of multi-fruit acids like mandelic acid from almonds, malic acid from apples, lactic acid from milk, and citrus fruits like citric acid. That's AHA Max Serum. So it's a good to have a glass skin to improve the skin cell turnover. If you're going to apply tretinoin, you can use it continuously, but allow your skin to adapt. Actually, this is a good ingredient if you want your skin to be flawless, if you want to remove those blackheads, whiteheads, and other skin blemishes. Tretinoin is a good anti-aging, anti-wrinkle. Okay, as early as mid-20s, you can use this, mid-20s. But don't forget to apply sunscreen every time you use tretinoin, and also you have to moisturize your skin. In the morning, you can apply vitamin C before applying sunscreen. Tiffany for supporting also the Dr. Alvin brand and distributing the original Dr. Alvin brand in Bangladesh. And we're the authorized distributor in the international distributor in Dhaka. Okay.
Thank you, sir. Thank you.
Let's make beautiful tomorrows together. All the Bengals there, use Dr. Alvin.